All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is January 12th, 2024. My name is John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's look at some charts. All right, let's get this out of the way. Pick up the SPY on the daily chart. SPY on the daily chart. Let's look. Higher low, higher high. Bodies of the candles moving up. Nice work on SPY on the daily chart. Still in an uptrend right here. So there's SPY, QQQ. QQQ doing the same thing. What's the high there? 411.25. What's the high there? Yeah, another higher high. So QQQ in a daily uptrend. Same thing. FNGU in a daily uptrend. Lower high, lower low. So here it is. Here's the culprit right here. Mr. FNGU failed us. All right, so let's look at the technicals. Oh, look, we were in the buy zone for an instant today. Look at that. What a rip. We were in the buy zone. We came out. We just stayed in the buy chop zone all day long for the most part. T2123. Wow, that's some funky price action there. Okay, we were up, came back to, well, let's just call it the flat 200. And it looks like all of those are red. So we just been red, and then we had a little rally, and then they melted it and back up. All right. So there's T2123. T2123 3 bar. Price action and trend indicator same spot. FNGU. A little red green or green red, green red, green red, green red. This one did not perform for us today, and we needed the FNGU. Had the FNGU performed, I think we could have had new all-time highs in SPY. Let's go back and look at IWM. IWM, higher low, higher high, hanging on to the major support there. Okay, so IWM, higher low, higher high, trying to break the downtrend. Closing below the 3-ace trap, not a good sign. IWM. Diamond Dow. Closing under the 3-ace trap. Still in bull flag consolidation. Just consolidating here under 377. All right. I got the recording going. Thanks, Ed. I got it. I'm talking now. All right. So Diamond Dow, bull flag. You got a higher high. Let's see if we got a higher high. Yeah, higher high and a higher low, but closing below the 3-ace trap. There's Diamond Dow. SPY, higher high, higher low, closing above the 3-ace trap. Still in bull mode. SPY, QQQ. All right, higher low, lower high, wrong one. QQQ, higher low, higher high, closing above the 3-ace trap, over the trend indicator, over the uptrend line. QQQ looking good. FNGU, this was the culprit right here. All right, FNGU. We got the higher low. We're looking for the higher high. We haven't got it yet. Today's candle was a disappointment. Lower high, and higher low, but closing over the 3-ace trap there. All right, T2122, we jumped to the buy zone and fell out of it ever so quickly. Spent all day in the buyer's chop zone. T2123, we gapped up, came back, filled the gap, and just struggled with this area for the rest of the day, really. T2123 3 bar, locked in on price. trend indicator and price action, one and the same. Could see a rollover here. I think we're flagging and we're getting ready for a bounce up if the FNGU could get with it. All right, FNGU just red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Nothing but just stuck on VWAP today. So nobody sees any value. We need buyers to see value. And it doesn't look like buyers see any value right here. It's either that or we got a whole lot of overhead supply that needs to be taken out. There's FNGU. IWM, all right. Go back there, come back here. IWM, all right. IWM hanging on to the support, major support there. Did put in a higher low and a higher high, but still hanging on to that major support. Closing under the 3/8 trap, under the downtrend line. So we spiked the downtrend line today, but could not hold above it. Okay, Diamond Dow. Again, bull flag, you've seen it. USO. USO is, did it close? Closed above the downtrend line right there on USO, but still attached to it. Closed on top of the 3/8 trap. We got a bullish cross here. We got a green trend indicator. We could be looking at the start of a new bull trend for USO. Well, let me just say this, okay? If the energy stocks, and I'm talking about the big boys, like Exxon and Mobil and Occidental and all of them, if they get it in gear, if price action winds up supporting this and they start moving in uptrends, we could see a nice little rally next week. But we need energy to get in gear here. So it looks like USO may be turning the corner right now with this higher low. We'll see what happens. They still got to take out the high. All right, so we need a new high. Once they take out the high, it's game on. And I think the SPY sets a new all-time high if energy can get up over that high. Right there, USO. UNG. UNG just rocking and rolling all the way back up to 682 again. Bouncing, J-hooking right off the backside of the downtrend line, right through here. J-hooking right into the uptrend channel line right there. Nice work on UNG. Okay, got about $3 more to go here, okay, to get that double. All right, we're at 682. You know, we kind of got some fills at 5. We sold them at 6, reloaded at 6, riding it up to 7, needed to go up to 10. All right, so we got to clear all of this consolidation. And I think we can do it. It's looking good so far. There's UNG in an uptrend. Silver got a little bounce today. Silver's now in a downtrend because it made a lower low yesterday. Silver bouncing back up over the bearish trap. All right, so silver trying to bounce out of this major support area right here. Trying to bounce out of it, all right, but closing above the bearish trap, which is a good thing. All right, and kind of spiking the uptrend line, the backside of it. Gold. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold is back. No, still underneath the uptrend line, but above the bearish trap and above the trend indicator. So it's climbing back into the uptrend. Gold doing some nice work there. Should have picked some more of that up today. All right, so there's gold on the daily chart. And we did USO. Let's take a look at IYT. IYT putting in lower high, lower low. Almost starting a new downtrend here. Breaking below this low right here. So IYT almost looking like it's going to start a downtrend. XLF. We had some big financial boys report today. And it doesn't look like they produced a whole lot of good stuff, but I don't see any breaking down. We closed below the 3-ace trap. The trap is closing in, actually, but above the trend indicator. So we'll see what happens next week. SMH. Is the mic still muted? No. Okay. SMH. Still in an uptrend, making a lower high and a higher low. Closing above the 3-ace trap and over the trend indicator. We got a head and shoulders showing up here. Price needs to take out that high to negate it. All right, so a little bull flag action happening right now. So that's it right now, traders. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. Let's take a look at the U.S. dollar. See what that's doing. See if we're getting any help. We need some help. U.S. dollar index. Come on. Looks like it's in the same spot. See this? Move up. Like 7 days over to the right. Yeah, it's in the same spot. We're not getting any help from the dollar right now. All right, so that's it, traders. We'll see everybody on, it's going to be a long weekend. Hey, you guys enjoy your day off, okay? So we get cranked up on Tuesday. All right, long weekend. We'll see y'all on Tuesday. Everybody have a warm one, all right? All right, hope y'all, let me know this. Is everybody's account growing? If your account's not growing, please contact me. All right? Private message me, email me. We need to turn this around. Okay? So here's my email. If your account's not growing, let me know. Because we need to fix it. All right, there's my email, john@byobtrading.com. All right, we need to get you back on the right track. Need to start getting this thing going forward. All right, let me know how I can help you. All right, I just came back from a big deficit thanks to working with a new platform. So let's get everybody else back on the right track here. All right. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful weekend. All right, we'll see you next week on Tuesday. See you then. Bye.